Are you or someone you know preparing for alcohol rehab? It's crucial to be well prepared to make the most of your recovery journey. In this video, we'll discuss the essential items you should bring to alcohol rehab to ensure a smoother and more comfortable experience. Ensure you have your driver's license, Idaho card, and any necessary medical documents, such as health insurance information. These will be needed for registration and medical assessments. Pack enough comfortable and weather-appropriate clothing for your stay, including sleepwear, workout attire, and casual wear. Most rehab centers have laundry facilities, so you don't need an excessive amount. Bring personal hygiene items like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and any specific skincare products you use. Remember to include feminine hygiene products if needed. If you're on any prescribed medications, bring them in their original containers. Rehab staff will assess your medication needs and ensure you receive them as required. Keeping a journal during rehab can be therapeutic. It allows you to track your progress, jot down insights, and participate more actively in therapy. Consider bringing books, puzzles, or other quiet entertainment to occupy your free time. Many rehab centers have rules about electronic devices, so be sure to check their policies. While most rehabs provide meals, having some healthy snacks can be comforting during your stay. Opt for non-triggering snacks and consult with the staff if you're unsure. Letters and photos from loved ones can serve as a source of motivation and emotional support during your journey to recovery. If you have a special comfort item like a blanket or pillow, it can help you feel more at ease during your stay. Finally, the most important thing to bring is an open mind and a willingness to engage in the recovery process. Be ready to learn, grow, and work towards a healthier future. Remember that rehab is a valuable opportunity for personal growth and healing. By packing these essential items, you can make the most of your time in alcohol rehab and set yourself up for a successful recovery journey.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.